Thanks for tuning into the channel today. Another day, another ride. Here we are, just under this bridge. I think today I might pull up and do a bit of a cook here. So, not a bad little spot this, apart from people throwing rubbish everywhere, but look how cool it is. We just go down into the creek. And this is a prime rainbow trout stream, and you know, you could get in here and catch a few with a bit of luck. Water's clearing up a bit, so we've had a lot of rain around here lately, but we're not here to look at fish or catch fish or anything like that. That was years ago when I was doing that. So we're here on the Classic 350 Reborn. Today, to bring all my stuff, I've just fitted one saddlebag to the side on this particular bike. That means I don't have to go and buy two sets of saddlebags out just to do something like this, and I can just run the framework on it. So I've already unhooked and I can lift her off. Got a bit of weight to it. Actually, it's got a loophole at the back, so we can just pull that off there. No wonder the bike felt a little bit lopsided when I was riding along, because it'd be a few kilos in this bag. So we'll just find a little spot here. We've got our fry pan, gas cooker, fuel, more importantly, the lighter. And I've got my fire extinguisher in a can, bit of water, my pot for the cooking. I've got salt and pepper. This is me 3-burner gas stove. It's pretty nifty. And with 3 burners, naturally it's got heaps of power. Let's turn her on. That's alight now. I think that's ready now. Looks all right to me. Water's just about on the boil. There's not that much gas in that container, and it would have been burning a little bit quicker. I could hear it bubbling while I was there working away. Looks like the knife will come in handy today. We've got a combo meal. We'll try out these eggs. Nice and fluffy too. Cheers. I think that turned out pretty good. And the shallots and that have given a bit of taste. Pity I never had the pepper, at least I had the salt. So apart from that, that was it with this one here. What's the coffee like? Bloody hot again. Geez, I'll have to cut this, boiling it too hard in these plastic containers because they just hold the heat too well. But that looks good. Tastes pretty good too. So apart from that, that's been successful. Little bit of a scrambled egg type affair here today, something a little bit different, so hope you enjoyed that part of it. Don't forget, this is a 3-burner stove, it cooks really fast. Bit hungry on gas. Only had a little bit of gas in there in the beginning and had a little bit of trouble getting things firing. When you do want to cook with that 3 burner, it sort of produces the goods, throws out a lot of heat, and it throws it out quick. So it boiled the water, I think, this time, although I never had as much water in the container. It's really quick at boiling things. So apart from that, it works all right. Pretty happy with that. So that's stove 3 out of 10. We've still got 7 to go. So like I said, I'm taking out a different stove every time I come out. Also, if you want to sub to the channel, please do, and give it a thumbs up if you like what's happened on today's run. But I think you're getting a bit of variety each time. It's not a case where I'm going out using the same stove every time we go out and you say the same old format. But no, every time I go out it'll be a different stove. So 3 down, I think 7 to go, and then we might have to rotate, or actually then we might have to go straight into outright wood fire. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, taking a look. Hope you enjoyed this bit of a cook. I'll finish off the scrambled eggs and the coffee and fire off home. Cheers for now.